Hey everybody, here is a summer 2019 truck update on the 2001 Tundra. Ain't really a whole lot been changed on the truck ever since the last update. The only thing we talked about in the last update, one of the big changes was I replaced the old University of Texas plate that was on here, and I put the TRD plate to match the TRD decals, which I probably recall doing that in my last update video. Ain't a whole lot been done to the truck, but there is some stuff that's underway. In the probably I'm gonna talk about that in the next upcoming video. But my initial plan is I'm gonna end up changing out this stock Toyota grill. I want to be able to replace it with a nice billet grill, just to make it look a lot different. But yes, I did do a basic touch up on the outside. I gave it a nice little coat of wax because I ran it through a car wash today. But probably next month or so I'm gonna do a full hand wash and get the buffer out and do a full paint correction to make it look a lot nicer. I found the rims that I really want to replace these stock Toyota wheels, because one guy commented in one of my previous videos that not to paint the wheels black, because I'm gonna get some black rims to replace these stock Toyota wheels. I found a tire shop that actually sells some KMC XD series wheels that I'm gonna change them out to. And these taillights actually are still holding up, and they shine pretty much really good when they're actually they shine really good for being tinted taillights for an aftermarket product. But don't want to sound like something wrong, but it's still under construction. Thinking about darkening the tint on these windows to the legal amount that you're supposed to have for my state. Don't want to get it too dark, because I want to be able to have it where I could be able to pass state inspection. But overall, it's never gave me any problems. So I'll take you on the inside of what I'm going to be doing in the future that I've mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video. So interior still holding up. I'm probably gonna give it a full detail, and once I'm probably gonna do a full interior cleanup once I get the subwoofer installed, because this is the subwoofer that I currently that I got for it, that I gotta work on getting the amp, but it's kind of hard to get it out right. Let me see if I can get it out with one arm. This one's got a Kicker Comp 10-inch. Surprisingly, it fits perfectly between this seat and the back seat, but it's not like nobody sits in the back. I'm thinking about mounting the amp somewhere under the front seat, but I gotta find out where where I'm gonna have to place my ground. But I figured out how to get to the little rubber grommet up under the firewall to run the power wire to the battery. I'm probably gonna have some assistance while running some wires, because I'm gonna have to take the seats out, and it's probably gonna require more than one person to get these seats out of here. But I found another bulb that actually replaced that halogen bulb under the driver's side, which is, like, I believe, like a T5 bulb. Hopefully I can see if I can get one off of eBay, because that bulb is actually hard to find. Get that receipt out of there, because I did run an error into Walmart. But yeah, there ain't really much what's going on. But so stay tuned once I do the subwoofer install. We're gonna show you a little simple guide on how to install a subwoofer in a 2000 to 2002 Tundra. So hope you guys enjoyed this little short update video, and thanks for watching.